and actively cools or warms up to 30
Welcome to the vlog. I'm finally back with another video. And we about to go look at some fireworks. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Bro, why you got so much grease on your face?
Because I can.
Dude, check yourself in the mirror, bro. You're not him, bro. You're not him, bro. Sorry. It's not you. Nah, bro. We're about to supposed to do right now. How much the chain, bro?
Oh, the chain, man, I told you, man. I got out from Fashion Nova here at $523. What's up? Yeah, zoom in on it. Get in on it. Yep.
Yeah. We need to know where you get the white tea at, bro.
Oh, gas station, baby. $7. But that right there, that's priceless.
When the only met Mark 8 days ago while searching for freelance web developers on Fiverr. But the incredible website he delivered made him an invaluable member of the team. Expand your team with a Fiverr freelancer. Here's a hack. Generic by Fiverr for just 8 seconds. Go to getfireplans.com. Select quantity and dose.
Rocket Money finds hidden subscriptions, and you can cancel the ones you don't want.
Bro, what are you doing? Okay. Up. And you gotta dab me up.
Oh, bring up.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'm posting this on the family channel.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna actually post on the family channel
We
now.
got slap.
Bro, okay.
Slap.
Slap.
There you go.
Experience frequent infections or have flu-like symptoms or sores. Little problems can occur. Ask your healthcare provider about Antivio. The treatment described to more people with Crohn's and UC.
First family channel vid. What y'all gonna say for the rest of the videos coming?
Sexy. Not sexy. Sexy.
Oh, bro,
Sexy.
stop.
Not sexy. Sexy.
Stop, my friends be looking at this. Bro, stop. You just let him do this?
One more time.
Bro, no. Okay, what are my friends watching, bro? Like, just bro, stop.
Sexy.
Just don't post this. Don't post this, y'all. Don't post this. Don't post this. Don't post this, bro. Stop.
Okay.
On TLC.
This is that place where anything can happen.
This ain't no cause. This
Yes, I do.
Oh,
Yeah. I know what was headed.
Fair check.
Can I hold the camera,
No.
please?
No.
Please?
My lips crusty.
Yeah. Get some lip oil.
You gonna see on the video.
Get some lip oil.
So how you feel about the first video on the family channel?
Cool.
Where the energy at?
What energy?
What you gonna say to all these young ladies?
What's up? Trying to get myself together, but we can go out and have a good time for New Year's Eve 2024.
But it's still 2023.
I know. I say I'm getting ready.
But it's not 2024. Then you can't say 2024. It's not 2024.
It's almost here. We only got a few more hours.
It's not 2024. On my phone. I'll show y'all it's not 2024.
We got 8 more hours, I think.
We ain't got no 8 hours.
Yes, we do. I think.
That's not 2024.
7,
We
8,
got
9, 10,
we got like
11,
6
12,
hours.
13.
It's not 2024.
We got 6 hours. Yeah.
6 hours.
Do my math.
Well, we're gonna show y'all when we get to the fireworks. What does that do? Do it.
Bro, wait, stop. Y'all, I shout out whoever. I shut up who's ever watching this video.
Y'all, this is a normal day in the Queen household.
Yeah. It's not even a household, it's like a hotel.
Stay tuned.
This is a normal day for the queens.
Stay tuned.
Y'all see what I have to put up every day?
Oh, y'all ain't saw it. Well, we actually have to put up with every day. Ain't no light in here.
I'm just playing y'all.
Look at this dude. All up in my face.
How?
I'm finna put on my deodorant. I guess he gonna let y'all see.
Oh
it
no,
too.
yeah, we're gonna cut it right here. We're gonna see y'all on the firework. Then yeah, everybody say bye.
Bye. I guess.
Nobody else.
No.
I'm peace.
Wayne, bye.
You already gonna get demonetized.
Yeah. Yeah. We ain't get no fireworks. We can't get none in Dallas, so we out here in the city. You know, we out here. We out here. Yeah. Hey, white people, we out here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! Dwayne, what the fuck? What the fuck, Dwayne?
Hurt my knee.
What you gonna do, man? You better hurt your knee or you hurt your life. What you gonna do?
Life insurance. This nigga hurt
About to
my
run in the
knee.
back.
Look, we're gonna firework right there. Y'all see the fireworks?
Dwayne hurt my shoulder with the seatbelt. Now he done hurt my goddamn knee. My good knee.
A shit ton of money, I'll tell you that.
All right,
Not as
man.
much as we gonna be
Happy
paying for
New
the
Year's,
whiplash and the
Mom.
chiropractic.
Happy New Year!
Driving experiences.
Happy New Roll the window down. God
Happy
damn.
fucking New Year!
Roll the window down.
Happy motherfucking New Year!
I just gotta say you Happy New Year's.
We
Okay.
gonna need a chiropractor.
Say it again, y'all.
Driving.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! They'll be like, these black people crazy.
They gonna have a play.
They repaired their car.
We got a flag.
My hat coming up. Let the window down. Let the window down.
Watch it.
Bro, I feel so much weight in this.
Hey, let's stop right here by Hooters and watch it, man.
You gotta get over it, bro.
Why you want to stop by Hooters?
Let's stop by Hooters, man. Let's stop by Hooters.
Yeah, yo, weird.
Come on, the countdown about to come on. We gotta find a spot quick.
Oh my God.
Walk under the
Come on, we
bridge,
almost
bro.
get out the turning lane because we don't see
Walk under the bridge.
That's
450 feet. We on North Street.
left.
Yeah, make a left.
No,
We all
walk
know
under the
this is
bridge,
all
bro.
right.
We
We
It's
all
New Year's, y'all.
I saw the fireworks. I saw some fireworks.
I wanted to
Missed
see
it, bro.
Oh, man, bro.
I wanted to see the ball.
Man, it's already fucking New Year's, bro.
God damn it.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy
Happy
New
New Year.
Year.
It's 2024. It's 2024.
Happy New Year!
Happy motherfucking New Year. You know what I'm saying?
Where's the fireworks?
It's behind this big building.
Y'all didn't see?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy fucking New Year.
Oh my God.
Happy New Year. Yeah. Yeah, bro, I got you. We outside, bro. I love you, bro. I love you, bro. My dude, bro.
We outside.
Hello. I love you, man. What's up? I love you, man.
We outside.
We outside the streets right here, bro.
Bro, we in moving traffic.
What are y'all?
Do we supposed to be moving right now? Evan, cuz.
Are we supposed to be moving?
I don't care.
Bro, we go.
Oh, we gotta get back in the car. Oh, okay.
It's the red.
What's my drink? Shit, I never got it. I got a clip waiting on me to know.
We drove like, what, 10, 15 minutes?
Look at that, hello?
Yeah.
Why did I got that cold duck? Look at that.
Okay, let's go.
That ain't moving since he got to the front.
That shit that I can read.
We're getting out of here, bro. This mug getting good right when we get back in the car.
Okay, this is
Why you getting out? Why you keep getting out?
Hey! See the ball.
I'll get back out the gate.
Oh, I'm gonna show you again. The ball. No. It's going. How you look right there? Like right there.
Yeah, we outside. Okay.
Oh, hell, we can't go nowhere. They blocking the traffic.
That's it.
Right when we get back in the mud. Are you serious?
Good on that?
And we going to park so we can get out.
He gone.
You still on the radio? What y'all did to your phone?
I took him up. You going back home? It said supposed to do about 15 minutes. It ain't over yet.
We right in the city, right in the Dallas. Oh, this is my cousin got married at right here. This is my cousin got married at this little hall right here. Why y'all laughing?
Wait, what they went?
Right over there.
In the parking garage?
Don't hit me.
No, it's not a parking
Hit him!
garage.
Oh.
It's just a fire.
And we got
It ain't no fun up in it, though.
we just gonna have to park in the street. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, Wayne, y'all at the light.
Yeah, it wasn't that far. I was telling you to hold it on, Wayne. Them ain't got to you yet.
Wow.
We behind y'all.
They going back out.
Y'all behind us.
Yeah, we is. We literally behind y'all.
So y'all in the parking lot?
Yes. We right behind you.
That's what
Go, Wayne. Go, car, go. When that car get up in front of you.
Hey, tell Chris stop driving so fucking fast.
Look, we might well go home. It was nice.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go home. Let's go home. Shit.
None of that.
Yeah. Let's try to beat some traffic.
Let's go home. Yeah, let's go home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, after seeing the lights, we here at 12 o'clock in the morning eating tacos. Are you serious? But here's me is right now. Then I guess I am serious.